If you've seen the super cheap car tire pump on Temu and wondered, does it actually work? Or is it just another junk buy? It's a portable air compressor that claims to inflate your tires fast, and even comes with LED lights for night use. Sounds handy, especially if you're tired of asking for help at gas stations. But here's the deal. While this pump does work, don't expect it to be powerful or super fast. Some users say it struggles with larger tires or gets hot after just a few minutes of use. Also, build quality varies depending on the seller. Some say it lasted months, others say it died after one use. So, should you buy it? If you want something basic and cheap for emergency use, yes, it might be worth the few bucks you'll spend. But if you need a reliable, high-powered pump for regular use, skip this and go for a name brand model from Amazon or AutoZone. Let me know if you bought this pump from Temu and how it worked for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.